In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify in just a few minutes. This setup helps give your store a professional custom domain instead of using the default Shopify URL. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the domain you want to connect to Shopify and click Manage next to it. Now keep this tab open and open your Shopify admin dashboard in a new tab. Inside Shopify, click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Domains. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. Now paste your Namecheap domain into the field and click Next. Shopify will now display the DNS settings you need to update inside Namecheap. Go back to your Namecheap dashboard and look for the Advanced DNS section. Here you'll update the DNS records to point your domain to Shopify. Set the A record to Shopify's IP address and update the CNAME record for www to point to shops.myshopify.com. After saving the DNS changes, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a few minutes or even several hours to fully propagate worldwide. Once verification is complete, your custom Namecheap domain will be successfully connected to your Shopify store. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling!